Hi, yesterday we compared metric units of mass and liquid volume. So we're going to review that today. Please remember that we are using the metric system and we are looking at mass and liquid volume. So let's do some problems. Here's the first one. Becky planted a flower garden full of blue bonnets. She used 9 kilograms of soil. How many grams of soil is that? Go ahead and give it a try. All right, let's see how you did. First thing I need to do is I need to write out my saying of King Henry died by drinking chocolate milk. Then I'm going to put 9 under my kilo. 9. I'm going all the way to how many grams? So I'm going to the base. I went down to a smaller unit, so I'm multiplying. And I have 1, 2, 3 zeros. 1, 2, 3. Get my base unit in front. 9 times 1,000. I have 9,000 grams. Pretty doable. Here's the next one. Becky used 5 liters of water to water her bluebonnet garden. How many milliliters of water is that? Let's see how you did. I need my saying out in front. King Henry died by drinking chocolate milk. I'm going to put 5 under my liters. Well, liters I know is my base unit, so I'm going to put 5 there. And I'm going to go to how many milliliters? I'm going to go to milli. There's my milli. I went down to a smaller unit, so I'm multiplying by 1, 2, 3 zeros. 1, 2, 3. My answer is 5,000 milliliters. What if we went up to kiloliters instead? Well, let me show you that one. Instead of milliliters, we went up to kilometers. I would put my 5 under the base and I would go up to the kilo. That means that I divided because I'm going up to a bigger unit. In division for 4th grade, we can do a fraction instead. And I went up 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So 5 over 1,000. It's the same concept as when we were doing metric units of length. Here's another problem. Give it a try. 7 kilograms equals how many grams? Let's see how you did. Get my saying out here. King Henry died by drinking chocolate milk. Okay. I'm going to put 7 under kilo. And I'm going all the way to something grams. Well, there's not a gram up here, so I know that's my base. I'm going all the way to the base. Well, I went down to a smaller unit, so I'm multiplying. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 7 times 1,000 is 7,000. Here's the next one. Go ahead and give it a try. Let's see how you did. I get my saying out. King Henry died by drinking chocolate milk. I go from 5 kilograms to gram, and I'm going to the grams, which is my base. Well, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 5,000 is my answer. Not bad. Here's the next one. All right. I need my saying out. King Henry died by drinking chocolate milk. I am going from 8 liters. Well, liters is my base, so I'm going to put 8 down there. And I'm going to milliliters. 1, 2, 3. Went down to the smaller unit, so I'm multiplying. 1, 2, 3. Okay, 8 times 1,000 is 8,000. Here's a few more. A pill containing 200 milligrams of medicine. If Barb takes 1 pill each day, how many grams of medicine does she take in 10 days? Ooh, this one sounds a little tricky. Let's do it together. If I have 200 milligrams and I take 1 each day, and I do it for 10 days, well, I'm going to have to multiply those two. 200 times 10. Bring my zeros down. 2 times 1 is 2. Well, I have 2,000 milligrams. So let's do our saying now. King Henry died by drinking chocolate milk. I'm going to put 2,000 down here. And I'm going from 2,000 to grams, my base. Well, that means I am dividing. And if I'm dividing by 3 zeros, I can just cross out 3 zeros. Or I have 2,000 over 1,000. When you divide that, it still comes down to 2 over 1. So my answer is just 2. That was a little tricky. Here's the next one. See if you can do it. A storage tank holds 4 kiloliters of water. How many liters of water does the tank hold? Give it a try. Let's see how you did. It does not look like this is a multi-step problem. It does not need to know more than one day. So we're just going to do our saying. King Henry died by drinking chocolate milk. I'm going to put my 4 under the kilo. And I'm going to all the way to liter, right here to the base. 1, 2, 3. Went down, so I'm multiplying. 1, 2, 3. My answer is 4,000. Not bad. Here's the next one. Helen places a 2-gram mass on one side of a scale. How many milligrams will it take to balance the scale? Let's see how you did. I need my saying. King Henry died by drinking chocolate milk. I hope this is getting into your head and that you're remembering that saying because it really helps you when you use metric system. I'm going to put my 2 on the gram, which is my base, and I'm going all the way to milli. Here we go. I went down, so I multiply. 1, 2, 3. My answer is 2,000. I hope this will help you with the metric system. Please don't forget that if you compare metric system, that you are going to rewrite it. So let's compare real quick so that you can take the quiz. If I have 5 grams, I want to know, is it equal to, less than, or greater than 50? Let's do something different. Let's do centi. Well, if I'm going from grams to 50 centigrams, I know that I need my saying. King Henry died by drinking chocolate milk. I'm going to go to the bigger unit, which is grams, and I'm going to go to the smaller unit. 1, 2. Okay. Well, I went down to a smaller unit, so I multiplied by 1020. 500. Which one's bigger? 500 centigrams or 50 centigrams? Well, 500 is bigger. Same as the last couple times we've been working with the metric system. Thank you.